Okay, welcome to Cape Bay. Stunning 2-bed, 2-bath, all en suite. Beautiful unit. Nice size kitchen. Bonus, unit comes as is, fully furnished. 400,000 USD, which means you apply for the residency visa. I just want to show you where you're going to be spending most of your living time. Alright, there we go. You've got a little swimming pool with jets. And if I can show you some estate views. Right in the distance. There we go. So literally there's a gate which is just below us. It gives you direct access. You're right across the beach and you're off in front of Pereybere. Stunning, well-run complex, ample sized balcony for a bra to entertain comfortably 8 to 10 people at a 8 to 10 seater table. Let's walk into the main ensuite, which leads straight onto the deck. Here's your main ensuite, plenty BRCs. You've got your toilet, your basin, and your shower. Excuse the disco light. Back, just another quick squeeze. And let's go off into the bedroom. There we go, bedroom number 2. Nice light and bright, and obviously bathroom. This one does have a bath in it for those families with small children. Yep, and that is it. 400 USD, that's what you're in for. Your walking distance, smack bang onto the beach, and holiday letting Airbnb is allowed.